This dainty orchid holds a subtle, gentle beauty with an alluring scent that smells similar to chrysanthemum tea. It was found in Singapore, hence the name. To enhance your scent experience and comfort, we've included therapeutic orchids for their relaxing and calming attributes. They are also important ingredients for various Ayurvedic and herbal medicine remedies. This orchid is used in its entirety as a traditional Chinese health tonic to enrich our yin and treat respiratory disorders. Additionally, it helps to relieve persistent coughs, manage tuberculosis, and even asthma. Mainly used as pain relief, this orchid effectively helps to soothe swellings and traumatic injuries. It also detoxifies and regulates heatiness in the body. A bouquet of flowers always smells much more beautiful than a single stem of flower. Similarly, to enhance the complexity of our fragrance composition, we've added in more ingredients such as cinnamon, sage, and toya loban. Unquestionably, cinnamon is one of the most distinctive smells of Christmas, a smell that brings warmth, comfort, joy, and love to people. With its spicy, sweet, and warm scent, it adds a truly new dimension to a fragrance composition. In addition, cinnamon essential oil has powerful calming, soothing, and mood-elevating qualities, which makes for a great mental relaxant that helps elevate stress, anxiety, and even diminishes regular headaches. According to several research findings, usage of cinnamon oil can also assist in improving focus and memory, which increases overall productivity and creativity. Used in topical applications as liniment, this oil can unwind stiff muscles, alleviate throbbing joints, and enhance blood circulation. A form of Indian frankincense, choya loban is a fragrance that exudes a mildly smoky, sweet, resinous-like with balsamic woody undertone. Choya loban attar has amazing therapeutic properties and is proven to be effective in managing various respiratory problems, such as bronchitis, asthma, and coughs. It also helps in eliminating negative thoughts and inducing the feeling of happiness. Looking to turn heads? This will be the perfect scent for you, bold, confident, and loud, along with a lasting richness and sensuality.